my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Miss Nazlin, and I'm back again with an amazing new video for you, my people. For today's video, as you can all see on the topic down below, we are going to clean and cook, or rather make a breakfast. So breakfast ideas get from my channel. Oh my people, Aki road to 500 subscribers before my birthday. I will truly appreciate your efforts as always. I hope you enjoyed this video from the start to the end. Relax and yeah, remember to like my video, share, and also give me a sweet comment. Okay, let's make our potatoes, sweet potatoes, and right there I was just cleaning them so that I boil them. So natoa uchafu before I go ahead and boil them. That will help me in my breakfast. I'll be taking that with some hot tea. I remove the tips and then yeah, it's ready for boiling now before I go ahead and finish cleaning. Yeah. So right there, my breakfast was almost ready, and as you can see, my tea was boiling, and I love giving it some time to boil so well. So I give it like 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure the sugar, the tea leaves are well, yeah, cooked, yeah, and also the milk, yeah, to avoid this mini bruschetta thing. And also my sweet potatoes were ready, yeah. For the sweet potatoes, you want to confirm the sweet potatoes if they're ready. You can always use the fork or the knife as I'm using, and you can see the knife is easily going through the potatoes. That means the potatoes are ready. The sweet potatoes are ready to be eaten, and I really can't wait to dig in this. Oh my god. Cleaning done. Breakfast done. I feel so happy that I did all this for you, my people. And yeah, I truly appreciate. Kama umewash up to this point, I truly appreciate your effort. Drop me a sweet comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share my video. And yeah, as always, my people, I truly appreciate your efforts. So until on my next video, I will see you all very soon. Just to let you know that I enjoyed my breakfast. It really slapped. Oh my god. Try this or take these tips from my video and enjoy at your comfort of your home. Okay? Until on my next one, I will see you all very soon. Bye.